Hello guys, welcome to another PortSwigger lab of access control, and in this is the lab of user ID controlled by request parameter with unpredicted user IDs. Okay, so let's get started. So let me access the lab. So here it is, just a second guys, and here is the lab. Okay, so let's first sign in as Vinny and Peter. So okay, I need to log out once again and let's log in. Yeah, so this is the screen you'll see. You need to type in the password PETER and username Veena, and then you'll be logged inside. And when you're logged inside, what you will see is this thing. Just a second, it's gonna take a little bit of time to load. And see that what is happening is that when they were using user IDs in a previous lab, for example, I'll show you, this is my account. Let me refresh this. This is my account. So what it is doing is that this parameter, when I click on my account, is fetching my account from this ID. Okay, so to view it much clearer, you can see over here that I'm fetching my account from this ID, and this ID is unique to me. Okay, and it's very difficult to predict someone else's ID. For example, if rather than ID, if it was user, I can type the username which is unique to everyone, but guessing this ID is very difficult. So if I forward this, and I'll get my username and I'll get my API key. For me to solve this lab, I need to do it for Carlos. I need to find the GUID of Carlos and do everything. So again, this involves just me looking through the website, and now I'm going to try and check blogs here and there. And over here, this blog is by administrator. Even the administrator has more privileges, but for the lab, I'm going to find Carlos. This is by Veena, which is me. Then let's check out this blog, and this one is by Carlos. So a blog by Carlos. Okay, so when I click on Carlos, it is supposed to open his user profile and I get his unique ID. Now when I know his unique ID, now everything is known, right? Just like the previous one. Over here in this ID parameter, I'll pass his ID. So for example, let me turn the interceptors on and let me reload it, even though you don't need burp suite for this. And now I'll change this to a different ID. This is a different ID I got, which I got for Carlos. Okay, and I'll forward this, and the very second I forward this, let it load. Right now it's Carlos now, and this is his API key, which is required for me to solve this lab. And I guess if I'll refresh it, it will show solved. That's right. So just like the previous one, but this time they were using unpredictable user IDs. Okay, so for how to prevent this is that you should actually check which cookie and all I am requesting from. So for example, for my cookie, I should not be able to access this the Carlo person's account, right? So that's quite the fix for it. So see you next time. Bye bye.